Alright, in this video, this will be a review of the Black & Decker tower heater. I'm going to show you what comes with it. You get a remote, the directions. I'm going to let you read that at the end of the video, and I'm going to do a quick demonstration. If you want heat, if it's on fan now, you got the oscillator. So oscillate back and forth. If you want, the next button is heat. It's the low setting, the high setting. If you want the thermostat, you got to hold it, and the thermostat will come on. You can change that here. And of course, with the remote, you can also change the thermostat. But the thing I haven't been able to figure out, I don't think you can do it. You got to turn the thermostat feature on at the unit, because pressing and holding the button on the remote doesn't seem to activate it. You got your timer. You can actually do the timer from the remote. And of course, you can change it to high and low for the heat. This thing will kick out some heat. Kind of wish I'd have bought the little taller one. The cast love it. They'll lay down next to it. Very nice heater. It's on now. I don't, it doesn't sound very loud. It's just fan noise. I mean, it's not super loud. Here's take a look at the manual. Not much to it. You just have to pause the video where you need to read. That's just a warning. Just get to the actual operation. The battery is not included in the remote. And one little thing to note, there's a little screw in there that has to come out before you can take the battery cover out. So be aware of that. They tell you that here, but most of us don't read the directions. I fiddled that thing for 10 minutes before I figured that out. My first clue should have been there was a screw there. Anyways, I hope this helped. Y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see you in the next one.